This is the Klarpul stick vacuum. It has some really cool features that I would like to highlight, and I want to test it out and see how well it performs. First off, it's lightweight at 6.5 pounds, so it's really easy to carry around. The wand is extendable, so you can easily adjust it to different heights for different users or projects. Included, you will get 3 different attachments. You have the vacuum head, the dusting brush, and the narrow path tool, which is great for edges. It's really easy to swap out attachments. With the press of a button, you can remove and switch out attachments really quick and easy. It has 3 power modes. You've got Eco, Medium, and Boost, so basically low, medium, and high. Now, runtime will vary between modes and can run up to 65 minutes on Eco mode with a full charge. You get 30 minutes on Medium mode and about 16 minutes on Boost. Now, I typically use Boost mode. However, on large, hard surface floors, I like to use Eco or Mid mode, which will do a really good job picking up most dirt, dust, and debris like dog hair and animal hair. I cleaned my house with it today, starting in the living room, which is a carpeted room. Now, the first thing I noticed was the suction and how good it did picking up debris. I also like the fact that it left these nice track marks in the carpet. It's a really nice look when you come into a room and it's got these nice track marks. It leaves the room feeling fresh, clean, and nice. A couple features here I really liked. First, how flat it is. I was able to get all the way underneath my couch. Since I could lay it all the way down, I could slide all the way back to the wall and clean everything underneath the couch, which was really nice. Also, since it is such a light vacuum, I could just quickly pick it up and vacuum my couch. I was also able to pick up the cushion and vacuum underneath as well. Now, this is good because this couch here specifically is the one that we use most, and it gets so many crumbs and stuff all over it, so it was really cool to just vacuum it really nice and easy. Now, moving on to the hard surface floors in the kitchen, it glides over the floor very smoothly, and the suction is powerful enough to grab hair and dust and just pull it into the vacuum, even if the vacuum doesn't directly go over it, which is really great for edges. And underneath the side table here, it just grabbed that hair and dust in the back that I couldn't reach and just sucked it right up. So it really did a good job on both carpet and hard surface floors. Next, I wanted to test out the attachments. I removed the wand and put on the dusting tool directly onto the vacuum without the wand, and I like this setup because of how light and easy it is to maneuver. This would be a really good setup for cleaning cars. One thing I did here was put the vacuum head directly onto the handle. This was a really good setup for cleaning these stairs. The light on the head of the vacuum made it easy for me to see what I was vacuuming up, and the agitator did a good job grabbing that extra hair, dirt, and dust that collects here on the stairs. One really unique feature is the removable brush head. So on the side, you're going to push this button, and now you can remove that brush roller or that agitator, so now you can easily clean it. With all vacuums, you're going to get hair and stuff that gets wrapped around this agitator, but with this vacuum, it's super easy and convenient to get all of that off. When you're all done, you can easily remove the dustbin and dump everything out into a trash can. Another feature I like is that it does stand up all by itself, which is really nice. Now you can just plug it back in, charge it, and wait until you need it again. Full transparency, Klarpul did send me this for free. In exchange, I told them I would try it out, make some videos on how it works. So far, I am very happy with its performance. I hope that was helpful.